Ban kentiu kakam kamai jakpo jagi nong song kam tam gitu ke beim lengba kakam kebadia dok ha kebajuyo nak wa yam bat kumjo ban penek pensa yaki do do wa. Ha ka santri risau katanat fisheries jong kejela kalayo ban the arlak telik sembai dok ha baper kepung yam. Ya kini kejeng the sembai dok ha kabla penlong dak katanat fisheries kalong ru kum kejeng penteri kam mega scheme kebalatip kum ka Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana PMMSY jong kesenam arhajar arpuwei. Ha kebayakan ni program la penlong ha kesnong maulendep kebereka wei kesnong kebelas ajiat ha kesin kebendengkong ban penteri kam yang ni scheme. Ha kini program lawan manishim bentar u Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed ubadai u Principal Secretary Ketanat Fisheries, ikong AL Maulong Director Ketanat Fisheries, ikong FM Lakyang EDC Geriboy, bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran matpang ikong AL Maulong Director Ketanat Fisheries, iloong bakalong sisa kejengkemen kebakraw bakasnong maulendep, kalas ajiat kum gawin ni kisnong banyo bahak kerpang, hakini ke scheme jongka PMMSY, banyo bentah kejeng pelat isembay doha, ya kebala pelat ya kepung yam. Iloong ru manapdeng kini gi arlak teli sembay doha, la klelang di sembay doha jong ki khaba, ki khabau, bat ki khamirka. Ki bahap ha keduan Indian Major Carps, bat ru ki khaski, ki khabam keba bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran kumukongsan u Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed ulapan pawe kejeng kemen kebakraw, ba kejeng angut jong kipat bak kenegatan kebeju imja kepo na kepung yam kalau urlong. Hadian balala ban penteri kam begini ke skim ke sorkar pedeng da kebalayo ban thek sembai dokha bakin hek kensan bat ki ban long kalat ban kentiu gayo kokot jong kipat ba nong song snong.
Preserving nature, protecting the ecosystem. This will be another mauling norm of the Meghalaya state, where community involvement in protecting, preserving water body and making livelihood out of it would become a destination for people to visit. Please keep that way, and all of us, including other departments, can also handhold and work together. Could be an organic farming sector, it could be a RAS system, it could be like biofloc you already made, like protecting recycling the water. It would be a model where the community make a clear system, like you can't use dynamite, you can't use poison, and the whole community abide by the system so that others can learn. This is the way you protect the nature. This is the way you make a livelihood out of the nature. This is the way you lead the way to the rest of the world. The communities world over has shown the way how you can live in tune, in harmony, in living with nature. That is more sustainable, more valuable for prosperity. I pray to Almighty that the entire village under the leadership of Bakar Mukhi and other esteemed headmen and advisors would be able to bring it to that level where it becomes a pride destination. It becomes a place where people can spot and people can remember, so that the livelihood comes, you protect, you preserve, and you handhold each other and support each other. Kublai Shibor.
Ni ba train im jakpo kene ka hakadam hakapung ba ngisu dap da ke jing sung kumen ke bakrau bang nilayo ban iyo ban iya kene ba namar ka fishery kala simkya kala pet bat yangi na pantaki baduk besuk bengemyo ikam kijam baka fishery kala simkya bikin ki sembay namar nang benta jongi kiba im jakpo nak benta jokene hakene kadam tengaru kumtahi langba kejing tri sistem jong rong bak sunung tunju iba daman ilayarap sisa nak benta jongi habangi iloi dala jong kakmat ba bangi im jakpo na kene kadam tengaru tangkum tahi langba kejing yarap jong rong bak sunung ai kublei rong bak sunung iba daman bat kumju ia ki officer jong ka fishery ki laklo yangi haba kilawan pet la jong khmat banyu i ya haba ngi im jakpo na kene kadam tengaru tangkum tahi